Kia ora champions, today we started out with the intentions of checking out a reservoir and exploring some desert trails. We ended up aborting the reservoir mission pretty early though, as the track was way too wet and getting ripped up. We decided to head for higher and drier ground. While I'm certainly not against having some fun in the mud, for most part of the year these tracks are dry, so when they get carved up or deep ruts, it makes them a real pain to travel along. It was all going well until we got a gnarly squealing noise coming out of the brakes, which happened to be a stone stuck between the caliper and the disc, and no matter how much of going back and forth, it just wouldn't pop out. Thankfully, I threw in a basic toolkit before we left and we were able to take the caliper off and get the stone out. It didn't end up being too big of a drama and we were back on our way in no time. The snow is starting to melt here and the summer heat is just around the corner, so don't forget to like and subscribe and catch us on some upcoming alpine adventures.